Hello everyone, welcome to my new video, that is Lake MacDonnell in South Australia. To reach that lake, the road is very rough, but you can go by any of car, proper sedan or 4x4, but in the rainy days you should have a proper 4x4 vehicle. So here is the first view of Lake MacDonnell. Here you can't differentiate the pink lake and the green lake, but we have a proper drone shot at the end, so please watch whole video. So the pink lake, called as MacDonnell, situated near 15 kilometers south of Penong on the way to Point Sinclair Lines. It is high in salt concentration. The lake gives the impression of salmon pink lake on clear days. One side of the causeway is a pink lake, the other side is green lake, and further down over the small bridge is the blue lake. The pink lake is caused by a salt-loving algae called Dunaliana salina and bacteria called halobacteria that secretes carotenoid red pigments that turns the water bright pink. Please note that Lake MacDonnell is not always pink. The vibrancy of the colors depend on the water level.